great? We call this car the GTI of sports sedans because we've given it the heart of a Volkswagen GTI. Under the hood lies the same 2-liter TSI 4-cylinder engine that makes 228 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. The engine is mated to either a 6-speed manual transmission or an available 7-speed DSG dual-clutch automatic. Yes, Volkswagen is one of the few automakers to still offer both a manual and a paddle shifter gearbox in the compact performance segment. And also like the GTI, the Jetta GLI has a sophisticated limited slip differential that improves cornering performance and helps eliminate understeer. The independent sports suspension provides the right mix of handling and everyday comfort. All that, along with Golf R front brakes and available DCC active damping, makes this the most mechanically advanced GLI ever. Externally, the GLI is differentiated from the Jetta by an aggressive front treatment with a red accent stripe across the grille, similar to a GTI, side skirts, a new rear bumper with dual exhaust pipes and diffuser, a rear spoiler, and 18-inch alloy wheels. Inside, the GLI gets unique decor, stainless steel pedal caps, sport front seats, and GLI door sill kick plates. A special 35th anniversary edition model will also be available, celebrating the history of the GLI nameplate. Available for 2019 only, this limited edition model has a black roof, unique wheels, black mirror caps, and a rear spoiler. The seats, front floor mats, and door sill kick plates have 35th anniversary lettering to celebrate this milestone. As well as upping the performance credentials with this car, we have also repositioned it with more standard equipment. The base Jetta GLI now has forward collision warning and autonomous braking and blind spot monitor. On the comfort side, the entry GLI S has standard LED lighting, Apple CarPlay and Android connectivity, 10-color wraparound ambient lighting, automatic climate control, and keyless entry. Moving up the range, available features include a panoramic sunroof, a configurable Volkswagen digital cockpit, memory power seats with ventilated leather seating surfaces, and the amazing Beats audio system. The GLI will go on sale this spring and offers a truly compelling blend of performance, style, and technology. It'll be available in S and Autobahn trims, plus the limited run 35th anniversary model. We will be announcing full pricing closer to launch. The all-new Jetta GLI offers more of what matters to drivers and shows that Volkswagen takes affordable performance cars seriously. The 2019 Jetta GLI rounds out our best ever lineup of Volkswagen compact performance cars, including the Golf GTI and the Golf R. And we think our Jetta GLI fans will love this car. With that, I'd like to invite you on stage, take a closer look, and field your questions. Thank you very much.